In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect N8N to GHL or GoHighLevel. So the first thing you want to do inside N8N is you want to go over here, click on Add First Step, and then over here you want to type in GHL. There we go, and they're going to find high level. So click on high level. This is basically the GoHighLevel. And then what you want to do from here is basically you want to create an action. Now, whichever action you want, you can pick whichever one really, but I'm going to just go with create or update a contact for this instance. However, the steps from here on are exactly the same, so you can pick the one that you actually need. So click on it, click on over here where it says select credential, and then click create new credential. In here, we're going to need to make a connection. And now, from here on, we're going to need the website, which is going to be the marketplace.gohighlevel.com, which is basically kind of your account in here, which is basically your manager developer account or whatever that's called, okay? So let me just show you how that works. Now, you want to go to Open Docs over here inside N8N. And then when you click Open Docs, it will say that you need a GoHighLevel developer account, and you want to click over here and create one in case you don't have it. It literally takes just a few minutes. And then after you've done that, here's the guide on how to actually do it. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to go to marketplace.gohighlevel.com/apps, which are your apps in here. And then we're going to have to create a new app. Now, the first, you want to click this button, create app, and then name it. So this one is going to be named N8N connection. There we go. And then you could keep it as private because of course it's not important. And then distribution type, this is very important, should be sub account. Even over here on their kind of guide website, it says you have to set distribution type to sub account. So do that. And after you do that, of course, you can select if you want white label or standard. I just go with white label because this is recommended. And then you can click on create app. After you do this, your app will be created over here. You can give it a name. So it's gonna have the same name you put in earlier. There we go. And then you have to add in a logo. I'm just gonna add in a random screenshot of a blank space over here. But of course, you can add in something if you want to. Category should be the one you're doing as well. So for me, I'm just going to do content management system. Again, this is not very important over here because nobody's going to see it. Okay, so just fill it in and you're good to go. So this I'm going to put connection with N8N. There we go. And then after you're done, you want to click on save. Now these things will now be saved. And here on the left, you'll have to click something which is called advanced settings. Inside advanced settings, you want to click on auth, which is basically this first thing. And over here, this is where it gets important. Now, where it says scopes and select scopes, you have to select a few of these scopes. And it's very important which you select because in here on their website of N8N, inside N8N docs, it says you have to add these scopes. So you have to add locations read only. Let's add this one first. So where is it? Locations read only. And there we go. Locations read only. You'll have to add contacts read only. So let me find this. Oh, you can actually just paste it in here. Let me just do that for a second. Contacts read only. There we go. You will have to add in contracts or contacts write. There we go. You're going to have to add in opportunities read only. Click on that. There we go. Opportunities write. This is the penultimate one. And then the last one is going to be users read only, okay? So these are the ones that are important, and these are the ones you have to add. Once you've done this, double check this so it's actually correct. And then you'll have to go to redirect URLs. In here, you want to actually paste the one from N8N. So we were at N8N earlier. There we go. And on here, inside the GoHighLevel account, you can see you have your OAuth redirect URL. Click to copy this, and then you want to paste it in here and click on add. There we go. It's going to be added. Make sure you check mark it. Of course, you're going to save first. So there we go. You're going to have to save first, and then you can click over here, and this one is going to be set. Now, you want to go inside client keys, and this is where we're going to get our client ID and then client secret, which are very important. Now, over here, what you have to do is click on add, give it a name. I'm going to do N8N connection. There we go. And then add. And after that, you will see your client ID and your client secret. Simply copy your client ID and paste it in here, and then copy your client secret and paste it in here. Now over here where it says authorized URL, make sure you have selected the one that you have actually selected previously. As I said, white label is going to be the recommended one, but if you selected standard, pick standard here as well. Now the last thing we need is scope, and as they say over here on their website, you have to add the same scopes added above to your N8N credential, okay? So these have to be in here, okay? And as you can see, if I close this down, you can see these are the ones you want to actually add. So I think I can just actually copy this. Let me try. There we go. You should copy this, and once you do, did this work? I hope this worked. If it didn't, you'll have to type it in manually. So you have to basically add them in a space separated list, for example, like this over here. Now let's see if that worked. It actually did. So I have double spaces in between, which is not good. So I have to correct this, but other than that, it did work. So these are the ones I had to put in, as you can see. There we go. I think this should be correct because I just added it in here. And then you want to click on Connect My Account. After you do this, it will say credentials successfully created in test project. And then over here, it will say, please log into the CRM to continue, and you will basically have to log in. And after you do this, you'll have this all set up, and then you are essentially ready to get going with your GoHighLevel connected with N8N. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.